Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn with Anchal. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my video. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you have any query regarding to this video or any other, you can do comment below. So today we are going to talk about a job notification by O9 Solution, which is currently hiring Python developer in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. So let's see what is the eligibility criteria, what are the qualifications that are needed, and how you can apply for this job. So let's see. So as you are seeing here, what are the eligibility criteria? So guys, if you have 2-3 years of experience in programming, you can apply for this job. Then guys, this job is not for freshers. This job is for the experienced one who have 2 things experience in programming. You need a bachelor's degree or above in computer science, and you have a good knowledge of the working on Hadoop. H-Life will be huge plus. So if you have a knowledge of Hadoop, as I said, they give you a plus point for this job. Experience in R and Python and Pandas. So guys, if you have experience, if you have computer science degree, if you have 2-3 experience in Hadoop, if you have experience in R and Python, you can go and apply for this job. It's a very good opportunity for all of you. They does not mention any of the salary over here. Let's see how you can apply for this job. I will provide the apply link in the description box. You can go and apply from there directly. So you just need to submit your email address over here. After submitting, if your email is shortlisted, you will get mail by the company. So guys, I hope you guys will like this video, and if you like, please like, and any query, please do comment below. Thanks for watching.